Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get a Roblox Premium membership. Firstly, open your browser on PC or mobile, then visit the official Roblox website at roblox.com. Log into your Roblox account and head directly to the Roblox Premium page. Use the link and get the Premium button. Now scroll down to view the 3 Premium membership options. You have Premium 450, Premium 1000 and Premium 2200. Click the Subscribe Now button next to your preferred plan. On the payment page, review the renewal date, the monthly cost, your selected plan, and choose a payment method like credit card, debit card, PayPal, or Roblox gift card, then complete the payment. After payment, your membership status will update automatically and you can view your subscription under your profile's billing section. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.